Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, it's a bit weird because I'm not actually going to be doing anything. I'm going to be showing you guys something instead, because I done this new thing, right, and it's so cool, and I think it's so easy and so cheap. It'll make your lives a lot more easier. But what I want you to show you guys is how to get this on your Lexus IS200 where the trunk opens automatically. So for any IS200 owners out there, obviously you know that these cars, the trunk doesn't open automatically. You have to pull it up manually, and obviously, you know, that can be a pain in the arse, you know, if the trunk's wet or if it's dirty. And obviously, you know, when you unlock it, you'd have to unlock it, then you have to pull it up, and you know, your things get dirty or whatnot. But I found a solution to that. So as you guys can see, I've already installed it, so I can't actually show you it in hand, but I'll show you guys a picture on the screen. But I got these things called trunk springs. You can get them from eBay, Amazon, Temu, your local car parts store, maybe even. Literally, all you do, right? So let me quickly show you guys. So this is how the spring looks like. It's too dark in here. That's how the spring looks like. So it should pretty much look the same. So you got the actual spring, and you got this bolt here which allows you to change how long it is, change the length, and then you got that keyring over there. So what I've done, I've attached one end, the hook, to this hole over here, and this keyring, I've actually attached it to the trunk mechanism. So when I open and close the trunk, as you guys can see, this part's moving. When I close the trunk, as you guys can see, I'm closing the trunk, the spring extends. So when I do unlock the trunk, all of the pressure and force, it'll obviously, the spring's gonna compress again, and it's gonna automatically open just like that. So it's a pretty cool, pretty smart idea. It's pretty simple as well, but it works and it makes sense. It works just by unlocking it by the key. As you can see, opens by itself. And even if you guys know, just holding the unlock button, it just pops up just like that by itself. But just so you guys know, you do have to make this slightly longer. So just so you guys can get a rough estimate, that's how long I made mine. You adjust the length by just spinning this part, and obviously there's a locking nut just over there as well. But yeah, you do sort of make it a bit longer, and as you guys can see, I hooked the keyring up onto the left side of the mechanism. So there's the actual part, and there's the keyring just tied up onto the left side, But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it's not a video of me installing it, but I thought it was pretty easy. I wasn't actually gonna make a video on this originally, but I thought, you know what, it's actually such a cool piece of kit, and it's so simple and so cheap. I think I got mine for like £2. I thought, you know what, I want to at least show you guys, you know, what I've done, and that way maybe we can benefit you guys. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this extremely short video. If you guys have any other suggestions for mods or any, you know, future ideas, just let me know in the comments, and maybe we can make it happen. But now that I'm here, I might as well tell you guys some upcoming plans I've got maybe. So as for videos coming up in the future, obviously after service cars, so we're going to do a full service, so brake pads, engine oil, engine filter, probably some other filters as well. And I'm also thinking I might do a wheel refurbishment video, because as you guys can see, my wheels are absolutely, they are nasty, bro. There's something else, honestly, there's something else. So obviously the wheels need a refurb, so I might make a video on that. What else? What other plans? I got a few other videos coming up. The main video which I'm so excited to upload is the TRD kit install, because I do actually have a TRD kit waiting to be installed, but obviously I'm trying to get this damage sorted out first before I do install the kit. That's why it's taking so long. But yeah, hopefully once I've replaced that wing, I can finally get the TRD kit on. But yeah, just a little update for you guys. What the hell, bro? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
And death is not the greatest loss in life. No, the greatest loss is what dies inside of us. While we live, uplift the people, uplift the people, let go of evil, let go of evil. From Toronto to the sky, from London to Dubai. Uplift the people, let go of ego, open your eyes. Tunnel vision with the frame wide. To summon wisdom, gotta erase the pride. My heart cried, my eyes stayed dry. Kept it real from the jump, and I never changed sides. No, barely alive, just trying to survive. The devil's whispers had me locked in my mind. I fell in love and started asking for signs. Like, oh Allah, this girl leave me mine. I blacked out, all I saw was dollar signs. Ignoring the signs of the end of times. I knew I had to make a change, I gotta rectify. Cut the bugs out from around me, spray pesticide.